Welcome to Foxy Adventures.
Hi guys, welcome to Foxy Adventures. So, I have actually been kneading this dough for a good nearly 15 minutes. So, the reason for this is I've got no bread flour, we've run out of bread, can't really go out because I went out yesterday. So, I had a bit of a Google and found that you can use plain flour in replacement for bread flour, but you have to work the dough and get the gluten in for 15 to 20 minutes. So that's what I've been doing. There's the timer. So that's what I've been doing to try and get this bread full of gluten so that it rises. Scarlett's ditched me to go and watch YouTube. So yeah, just gotta keep going. So as you can see, we did some shapes this morning, colouring in the right shapes. We've also done some phonics and writing numbers. So after dinner, we're going to do some Easter crafts. So I've made a little bunny rabbit, which you can do too. Just get a old toilet roll, cut it up into little pieces like this to make the ears, and then a round piece for the head, and then you can just stamp it on some paint and then stamp, stamp, stamp. So there's a little Easter craft. We're also going to make a bunny rabbit with this. That's why there's 2 extra here to go inside like this. And we're also going to do a basket maybe as well to put some little Easter eggs in. So yeah, join us in a little while. So Scarlett's been asking for McDonald's a lot recently, and because obviously McDonald's has had to close due to the coronavirus, I thought I'd treat her and do her a little McDonald's myself. So here it is at the minute. She's got her McNuggets and her fries, her cup with orange in it, which is a favourite, and luckily enough we always keeps hold of some sweet and sour because it's her favourite. So I'm just about to cut up a potato to make her fries, pop some chicken nuggets on, and then I will film her reaction. Hopefully she's excited. So I'll see you in a while. Here it is. Let's go and surprise Scarlett now. Scarlett, I've got a surprise for you.
McDonald's.
What is it? McDonald's. Are you happy? You've wanted McDonald's for ages, haven't you?
Yeah.
There we go. So what have you got from McDonald's?
Chips. Nuggets.
And sauce. So Scarlett, what have you done so far?
A bunny rabbit.
So what's this? What's this bit here?
The body.
The body, and what are these over here?
The ears.
The ears, and what you're doing now?
And the eyes for the face.
The eyes for the face, very good. And she did some stamping, didn't you?
Yeah.
Using our mould. Looking forward to it, aren't you?
Some whiskers.
Yep, some whiskers, because bunny rabbits have whiskers, don't they?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Dad, do you know when Abby turned in a rabbit when they dropped some eggs?
Oh my God, did they?
Yeah, and then her turn into rabbit was whiskers.
Oh, blimey.
I mean, a lot of what?
And whilst I've got you guys, oh, you're not going to believe it. So the bread we were making earlier didn't rise. So we're now making muffins instead. So hopefully those muffins will go lovely with a nice burger, won't they, Scarlett Kay? So you're all finished, aren't you now?
Glitter, glitter,
Do you want to show us?
glitter.
Do you want to show me first, then we'll add some glitter? Scarlett's bunny rabbit.
Put some glitter on it.
With a little cute tail.
Let's decorate it.
Decorate it with glitter?
Yeah.
Right, okay then. Scarlett's now added some glitter on to her bunny rabbit. It's very cute. Good job, Scarlett. Give us a thumbs up, guys, if you like Scarlett's Easter bunny. Give us a comment about what you're getting up to whilst you're in lockdown, if you are still on lockdown. So guys, as I said earlier on the last video with Scarlett, the bread didn't go to plan, so we've had to turn it into muffins. But the muffins have turned out okay. You just have a look, one sec. See? Some nice muffins, burgers. So yeah, happy with the muffins. Shame they weren't bread.